See Masicka get the same fight but Alkaline get. It's crazy, man. But remember, I want to beat Alkaline boy. I want to fight him because he go against the grain and him do his own thing, you know.
A few moments later.
Alkaline I keep a show in Miami. I mean, hear people start pray feet flap already. And I talk a whole heap of things. I mean, I stop and I say, wait there. Jamaican people are the only people who pray bad things to happen to their own people.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan, you don't know one Media Fox pan happiness. So people remember for getting a ticket from Miami, new rules. You don't know. You don't know say yo, and you have Philly, you don't know Xfinity Arena. You see me? I don't know things say people getting a ticket, but you don't know ticket lady and you know she got details and stuff too and you see me? Yeah. I'm making a know Wagwan. You see me? So go get on a ticket. It's gonna be a historical moment. Is it?
Good Gal himself is going to be at the Xfinity Mobile Arena in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, June 13, 2026. But he's also going to be in Miami, Florida, May 22nd, 2026. And let me just say this, because I said this before. I'm going to need y'all, because I don't have a ticket to the Miami date. When he performed y'all good, to have y'all phones out. And I need a clear video.
Yo, may I tell her say yo, she a wait pan the girl good thing, you know, me I tell her, you know, people. May I tell her she a wait pan girl good for perform with Alkaline. But yo, when that song they dropping at the arena, you know. Nah, but normal people, me I tell her that. You see me? But she said she not gonna make it for the Miami, but I think she said something about Philadelphia, so we're gonna say we're gone.
You know, I need y'all to hold the phone straight, because y'all don't know how to do that sometimes. Y'all be going crazy. Y'all be acting like y'all be excited. Y'all be excited, and I get that, because this is officially the longest summer, but I need y'all to hold it still. But I also want to tell y'all, because a lot of the tickets for the Miami is sold out. If you do want to go to Philly, they still have tickets. This is literally above the floor. And as you can see, $394.70, which is not bad. Let me know in the comments which date you're going to, because these concerts are going to go crazy. It's giving me a headache thinking about it. She better bring him back. And TJ already said this is the...
Yo, John, no people. That girl Eddie car, she not gonna make it for Miami. You see me, she a girl Eddie car. Yo, she don't want me see experience, cause she know what got me. You see me? But people will get on the tickets. You see it? Get on the tickets.
last two shows for New Rules times Reggae Fest. So we'll see.
So people, the guy you gonna say something and you have to really look on it and you say, yo, John, no for that elder you see what going and him in the same little space in America. Like, boy, man go tell you what going.
Natural fact, brother. When we live in America, you have around 27 years. I mean, never hear an American concert go on. American people have a pray feet flap and I talk bad about it. I mean, never see that, brother. But
So people, you see me I try to talk about Alkaline show him I talk about, you know. You see me? Think of the Miami show. You see it? Yeah. So, when I say I'm dead every 25 years and never hear some people that talk about say, oh, I'm sure go flap and all of them something. For sure you say, oh, the hate and the fights real out there for Alkaline. You see me? For him there in America for 25 years and him never hear no but they bring on a show like this. You see it?
Jamaican people them different. Alkaline I keep a show in Miami. I mean, hear people start pray feet flap already. And I talk a whole lot of things. I mean, I stop and I say, wait there. Jamaican people are the only people who pray bad things to happen to their own people.
Yeah, man, I saw them stay. So listen, people. Remember now, him say Miami sure not. I think Miami may be there. And him say, yeah, I hear some people talk and all of them little things there. Yo, I tell you, brother, the hate is real when it comes to Alkaline here. And trust me, Alkaline don't do nobody nothing. The youth just a do him own thing. But I'm glad to see people out here I see what go on and have to turn on them camera and talk about these things. You understand? Because people out there say this and that and I don't know where I go on. You see it? That's what I'm tell you. What the youth do is great. That's all me have to say.
Alkaline come from Jamaica now. If Alkaline keep a show and it's successful, who will we laugh? Because we are Jamaican, we are champion and we alone can't do it. You see what I say? But at the other way around, there's some man for the internet virgin. I pray for the show flop. I pray for nothing to go on for the show. I remember Alkaline a Jamaican and it's a young youth.
Them no care, I saw it going on. I saw them bring down each other, you see me? I don't know. I just one of them things that I guess them want one set of people do something. Them don't want Alkaline do nothing. You see it? Yo, let me tell you with society what I learn with Alkaline and it tell me say, yo, you don't have to do nobody nothing for them hate, you know. Not for them people that will hate certain people, them are not leader, them are follower. You understand? Because them forward in our space and them hear what go on and them don't know the truth, them just start work with it. Yeah man, them just start work with it. Where people tell them, where my pass and hear people that tell them just work with it. You see it? So a lot of them think they are going to dance all right now. But at the end of the day, them still can't stop the youth. You see me and him a set record, youngest dancehall artist you sell out Barclays Center. It's a great look. Because we don't have no young artists like around film time or film age right now where I sell out Barclays by themselves. You see me? So it's a great look. You see it?
Well, them people are different, but you know Alkaline I beat them with? Alkaline I beat them with the universe. Alkaline study the universe and the universe I work for Alkaline. And if you think a lie, and if you think a joke, look this here. No matter what they do and no matter what they try, Alkaline I work with the universe and the universe I work with Alkaline.
Yeah man, because you see the energy what them put out there. But tell them already, you know, Alkaline is a force where, you know, you watch a movie there and it's like the more you like something that the monster like try to destroy the monster and so, and the monster just generate energy, power. No matter where you fire off of the, you see me, the master or something, you just get more energy. The more stone fling, knife, ray, them get more energy. The same thing Alkaline. So the more them eat the youth, and more it better for him. May I tell her that. Is it?
You see 3/4 Jamaican then turn on and I respect Alkaline. Watch. Alkaline I work with the universe. Governor Beach said that with no doubt. Watch and see. 2026. Watch.
See, yo, it crazy, though. See, Masicka get the same fight, but Alkaline get. It's crazy, man. But remember, I want to beat Alkaline boy. I want to fight him because he go against the green and him do his own thing, you know.
Ah, boy. Brother. Masicka not getting a fight, bro. Stop it. Masicka not getting no fight, brother. Not because him kind of support himself from the Gaza thing. I just a bag of talking, bro. You understand? Him not getting a fight. First of all, Masicka have Bounty beside him. Him have Beanie Man beside him. Him have Shaggy them. Him man have everybody, brother. I just a Gaza thing now with him. But them still not do nothing. Masicka song them still a play. DJ still a play Masicka. The system it wasn't like when na Alkaline time. When Alkaline have kick down barriers. You see me? And I like them time. Now things different, bro. You see me? At the end of the day, yeah, Gaza fans are going to beat him and say something verbally and all of them thing there. But that not stop the music them from play, brother. You see me? When Alkaline forward in a game, seeing? Alkaline never diss up nobody. Them start go off of the youth. Through the youth say, yo, my do own a thing and him not praise the man and a man a special team and him not have no feelings in a man. That's it. You see me? So, with the Masicka thing, bro, I don't know how to get this fight thing, brother. I tell you. Because Masicka, when you look, Masicka have the whole straight. I tell you, the whole straight. Brother, back in them days when alcohol did, brother, everybody, imagine Bounty them and the Gaza thing them never rate the youth. Knowing to them time the majority of the DJs them are the Gaza thing. You see it? Them never did 2-2-1 play all Usain Bolt. You see me? Usain Bolt I play all boom boom. I say yo play Gaza because I never want to hear Alkaline, brother. So I know way I try to say that. Masicka not get in a fight, brother. That me I tell you. Because nobody not pay if not play music. You see it? So man not get in a fight, dog. You see it? Masicka try use Alkaline blueprint to make it, you see me? It's like him start stay low key, you know, him not do the social media like we usually do. Like few days ago or last year. You see me, after the Sunfest saga thing. You see me? And him forward out the live and one bag or something. So, brother, Masicka not getting a fight, bro. Not because you will hear like the Gaza people them say, yo, 1 and 2, them the 2 like him song and this and that and way, bro. Come on, brother. Masicka not getting a fight. Masicka good. You see me? Cause when Masicka have Bounty and Beanie Man by him side right now, 2 giant them. And him have other people with the whole reggae from Proto J, the whole of them. Lila Ike, the whole of them are do work with Masicka, the whole of them are highlight Masicka, brother. So I don't know who you talk about fight, bro. You see me? You just up on the internet and hear some man and say, yo, you song Masicka drop a shaggy. Don't know a fight, brother. You see me? Then there some talking thing. You see it? So you not get no similar fly, cause look here. Back in the days, Beanie Man no rate Alkaline, never get Alkaline of strength, and I see him with Bounty Killer. But we know for that for Masicka for sure, say Masicka get film ratings from Beanie Man and Bounty Killer same way. You understand? Yeah. Bounty Killer always represent Masicka. You see it? So I don't really know what you're talking about fight, bro.
When a man leaning just to fame thing until he reach the top and him they went there now. I don't remember when I fight him. I don't remember. Because someone want to start singing all him song. Someone want to start hide and listening music. You know? Can't realize someone can't tap you. But I'm telling you this.
But I saw it go, brother. I saw it go, the same people will fight you. Them would they listen to music, you know. Sometimes them just do it for the public is stunt and you see me views and just internet thing. I just that, bro. You see it?
I want to give him strength. I want to never want to give him without even knowing someone I give him strength. You see the hate there, it flow with him. And it make him be so great. Like him is now. And guess what? The same thing I got happen to Masicka. When I go fight him until he does surpass on the field. And if he not surpass, his name I get mentioned in a greatness, you know?
Brother, Masicka do him thing. You see me? Masicka do him thing. Nothing not happen to Masicka career. Masicka not getting a fight, bro. Masicka stand still a play. You have big people in our society where we are give Masicka the strength. You see me? So I don't know what you talk about, bro. That me I tell you.
You know that. I wish it already start. Is it? So when I fight the youth them, and them think that gamma man. Alkaline reach. You see me? No Masicka in the hard seat. Because him at the top of the game, everybody a fight him. I guess, you know, we can say it proudly. Jamaicans are the super. But a pressure make diamond, man. Pressure make diamond. So you are doing anything, go and do anything. You see me? If you believe in anything, just go and do it. Remember me tell them fight Alkaline day in, day out. To this day, I get and how powerful like Vendetta. Tell me, which boy see him fight Masicka experience?
Brother, but you have to understand, bro. When the whole dancehall thing, the whole grid, I go against Alkaline in a family, you remember, say, Masicka was a part of that. So the same so-called Gaza thing won't say a fight Masicka. Masicka never said Gaza genocide. Him was a part of the same entity when the man go off Alkaline, brother. You need to look into that situation there. You see it? And that a betrayal because him there on the man them and then one little something go on and him refresh and him cut and all of them little thing there, brother. So I understand what you say about fight. Masicka not getting a fight, bro. I just some little word I'm out. You see it? Some little word I'm out thing that, brother. Masicka music still a play and all of them little thing there, brother. Alkaline they have limited of people where can say yo with the music and all of them thing there, brother. Cause look, you know, that's Alkaline for us, yo. The industry, I have to go outside of this, you know, and try forward with some formula thing and you see me? And you do it and then start keeping my own show. And that me I try to tell you, brother, so you don't know what I go on, dog. You see it? Yeah, man. So people, a lady I got tell you know what I go on, you know, so I want to look into this and see what she say. You see it? Yeah, man.
Alkaline, big up yourself. Because since your album drop, everybody and them will find song or find talent. They not even know so they have. But they need to give you your props because NPT it a lead. Anyway, around that I come about, we need to have an emergency meeting because remember say they say a cult winner, you know. And because I know say I'm me as the secretary and the hostess and the mixologist. And I'm me I take the name, I'm gonna write it down. When you say Risto, we need to raise the bar. And I say Ush. And you say, make sure say you send out the email and me say me handle it myself. Me never know say everybody never get the email because some of the vendetta vlogger them need to go over the app, type in Niccolo Machiavelli so that they can study dark psychology to know exactly what you stand for, and the fact that they represent you, they need to know what you're about, because some of them really drop the ball as far as the movement is concerned, and me not feel like them raise the bar and them not realize that it's an actual thing. Because if you raise the bar, no, you're supposed to do it mentally, physically, and all of them. And me not really feel like some of them up to par. Because remember, Michael in The Godfather says never go against the family in public. And me really feel like that is something what people need to take serious. Me not get a knife the mix up, but me not believe in a gatekeeping and me not believe in a infighting, because for the movement to be successful, you need new fans every day. And some of my people them talk about who win there first and who will not do the most, and that is really unnecessary, because in order to sell out a stadium, you need support of as much people as possible, right? Also, I was gonna call Professor London over the Da Vinci Code to figure out the mystery, because I scroll up on the app and me click on this vendetta vlogger because I know his voice, because he always just say ush ush ush. So anyway, on his live, he is live streaming the app's page, the same page where disrespect and bring down the vendetta movement on a regular basis, because that live goes all day. And I'm not sure why he's on it, because that not nothing for the movement. It tarnishes the movement, and it also makes him look weak, because he was on the live and the people them gang up on him, then disrespect him. One girl run out upon him, they wouldn't even make him talk, and the girl tell him about 4 bad one in a one, and a couple of bag of things with 17 scandal bag, and she tell him that she don't want him over there, and she don't know why he come over there. And the brother just sit down and take it, and I said myself, say, dude, what are you gaining from this? This look like personal gratification for me, because this not help the movement in any way. Why are you live streaming the apps bashing your artists? Does that even make any sense? And if you were studying dark psychology, you would know, say, we not take disrespect. And this is why I don't go on people live, because nobody is gonna disrespect me a certain way. This is ridiculous. First of all, you should just say, listen, I'm gonna respectfully leave this live because you may not feel welcome. That's why you should tell them and jump your stomach there and take it. So here's a challenge. If your page blow up, then go say, I them give you the strength, and you couldn't do it without them. And if you ain't know the vendetta movement, say vendetta standalone, vendetta run, go look strength for other people. So I don't understand how you gone over there, go and do this and then come back over the next day as if nothing happened. Come on now. We need to do better than that.